Hey everybody, it's Ryan Smith, aka Ryan the Scavenger. Welcome back to the channel. Does it look like I'm tired? That's because I'm whipped. I just got done doing my driveway with my nice 3-foot drifts. Oh, I'm a little tired and a little sweaty. All right, everybody, enjoy this fast motion breakdown of my driveway snow blowing of the giant drifts. Okay, this is the Kearney Regional Airport Business Park sign as you're coming into Kearney, and kind of a view of how bad the weather was. I mean, the wind was, I don't know what the speed on the wind was, but it was probably 30 to 40 miles an hour winds continuous. So the snowfall wasn't that bad, but the wind was just causing huge drifts. So here's a picture of I-80 that I caught right at the Interstate there in Kearney, and this is the police directing traffic right after they have closed down the interstate. I drove out there and took a shot. Here's another one just showing you how terrible it is. I mean, hard to see. And several police officers in big rigs. Unfortunately, this causes a huge backlog and traffic jam in Kearney with tons of trucks coming into town. So yeah, there's a picture of the I-80 with the crossbar down. When that's flashing, I-80 is closed. So I-80 was closed from Kearney on. Here's the police again. God bless their soul, because I'm one of them. And there you go. And the snowplow removal guys, God bless their souls too. It was a total mess. And God bless the snow crews and the police. And here is the snow removal at my house now. everybody. Thanks for watching. You know the drill. Before you leave, smash that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Hey, we had a milestone. We broke 1,000 hours of watch time, guys. Really appreciate all the help, everybody. Keep watching the videos. I know I haven't had a lot of them lately, but more to come as the weather gets better sometime here in the next couple of months, I hope. All right, everybody, have a great day.